Okay, now I'm on page 392 of the Go Math textbook. Let's take a look at this word problem. Jane's backyard is shaped like a parallelogram. And we got a picture of that right here. There's the backyard. The base is 90. We got that. The height is 25. They gave us that. What is the area? Well, we know our formula is area equals base times height. So all we have to do to find the area is multiply 90 times 25. I'll let you do that math, and that's how you'll find the area. Okay, I'm going to skip 15 because a similar problem has gone over on your Math on the Spot video. Let's go to 16. The base of a parallelogram is 2 times the parallelogram's height. If the base is 12 inches, what is the area? Okay, so we have a parallelogram. The base is 12 inches. So from here to here is 12 inches. The height, the base is twice as big as the height. So to find the height, we can divide the base by 2 if we're going backwards. So divide 12 by 2 and you get 6 inches. And then let's just double check that. It says 2 times the height is the base. Well, if we take 6 times 2, we do get the base of 12. So that works. And then it says, what is the area? Well, now that we know the base and the height, we're just doing area equals our base is 12 times our height is 6. So 12 times 6, do that, and then you'll get the area. Again, if you need additional help, though, please raise your hand. Okay, 17. Li Ping says that a square with 3-inch sides has a greater area than a parallelogram that is not a square but has sides that have the same length. Does Li Ping's statement make sense? Explain. So Li Ping is saying that the area of this square is going to be greater than the area of this parallelogram. Is he correct? Well, we remember area equals base times height. So for the square, we can find that. 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 inches squared for our square. 9 inches squared. Now for the parallelogram, though, remember its area equals base times height, but they have not given us a height. They gave us the base, 3 inches, but the height is not given to us. Remember, the height has to be parallel or perpendicular, with the base. So this would be our height here. So is this length longer than this length, or is it shorter than that length? That's what we're really trying to find, because our base is 3, and if the height is greater than 3, then the area of this will be greater than the area of this. If the height is less than 3, then Li Ping will be correct that this area is greater. Okay. So, finding the so if we look at the height of this, it's actually going to be, think about if you have a box and you're holding a box straight up, okay, and you kind of tilt that box. Now the top of the box is going to be closer to the bottom of the box than it was before. So this length from here to here is going to be less than 3 inches. Because of that, the area of this will in fact be less than the area of the square. So Li Ping is correct. The parallelogram will have a smaller area than the square. All right, again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to raise your hand. We can talk about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.